are going to draw and color a ball which starts from the letter B. So the things we need are an eraser, a pencil, a sketch pen and some colors. So let's start. We'll start making from drawing a ball, a circle, like this. And now we are going to make a smiley here like this, and we'll make some lines. So this is our ball. Now we have to outline it with a black sketch pen. So first I'll outline the ball. And then the smiley. And now the lines. Now for doing coloring, we are going to take the colors and we are going to take different colors. So first I will take yellow and I will do it here. So I filled one shape like this. Now I will do orange. Now I've done orange. I am going to take red. Now I've done red. I will take blue. Then I will take green. And then here we will do pink. And now our ball is ready. A ball is used for playing. It is for volleyball, cricket ball, football, basketball, etc. This ball which we have made is a normal playing ball. Thank you.